A Facebook contest is the best way to reward your fans and get more likes on your page. In this example, we'll create a simple giveaway. Let's start by typing in a title: Your chance to win an iPad. Next, we'll customize the introduction with a banner image and some text. Let's submit this and continue with the questions. A few basic questions have been added for us so that we can collect participants' infos and encourage them to like our page. We'll go and edit the newsletter question to add some details. Great! Let's preview what we've done so far. We'll just change the title and button color to match the picture's color. That's better. Let's try entering the contest to make sure it works as expected. Awesome! Now, let's continue to the last step. On the Publish page, we see different options to promote the contest. We'll start by replacing the default image with our iPad picture. Next, we want to install the poll on a page we manage. We select the page from the list and click Add Page tab. We see that the contest was successfully installed in a tab on our page. We now need to share the contest URL on our page timeline. We copy the URL and navigate to our page timeline. We write a new status update with a call to action and paste the URL. And that's it! Our contest is up and running. We can pin the post to the top of the page and boost it to reach more people.